Hi, it's Shauna D with Cultivated Development and Training LLC with today's Google Grab filtering messages. So today we're going to discover how to filter messages for a more organized inbox. And the simplest way to do that is to first locate a message that you want to filter. So I'm going to scroll through my inbox, and let's say I want to filter anything from Wix.com. So I will select that message, and then I will go to my email tools up here, select more, and filter messages like these. So what I am saying is that to Google, to Gmail, is that I want anything from Wix team at emails.wix.com. I want to do something with those messages. Now I can elect to add other parameters such as to, subject, has words, and so on and so forth. But I only want to filter messages from the Wix team. So I'm going to select create filter with this search, which is in the bottom right hand corner. And now what do I want Google to do with these messages? Okay, do I want to skip the inbox, mark it as read? Do I want to forward it, delete it? What do I want to do with it? So in this instance, I want to skip the inbox, and then I want to apply a certain label because I don't want to crowd my inbox with all these emails. So I want all emails from Wix team at emails.com to go to a certain label. Now I don't currently have a label that says Wix, so I can just create a new label here, and I'm going to name it Wix. Right? I'm going to select create. Now it takes me back to the original window, and I'm going to skip the inbox, apply the label Wix, and now it says it allows me to select to apply this filter to 19 matching conversations in my inbox. So Google has matched all the conversations in my inbox that are from Wix team at emails.wix.com. So I want to apply that filter to those 19 matching conversations. Once I select that, I'm going to select create filter. Notice all of my emails here are from Wix.com. It takes me back to inbox. But look over here in your sidebar. The label that you just created should be there, and there you have it. Wix. Last one, it's in alphabetical order. Now this 16 here means that I have 16 unread messages in that folder. So I'm going to click that. And of course, anything in bold means I haven't read it. But there you have it. That's all you have to do. Is extremely simple to organize your inbox by creating filters, because you don't want to crowd your inbox with certain emails that are not necessarily, that you don't need to read, right away. So that's something you could always go to the folder and look through the email, daily as part of your routine. So that's all we have time for in today's Google Grab, which was filtering your email messages. I hope this helps you in having a more productive and organized communication through Gmail. Thank you.